Hey guys, wondering the best way of putting the contact lens in fast? I'm going to show you. Stick around. Welcome to the Eye Care and Wellness channel. I'm Joel Hayden. If we haven't met before, we talk about eye care, nutrition, eye nutrition, and ways in which we can live longer and better lives. So if that interests you, consider subscribing, hit that like button if you like what I have to say. Today's going to be a quick one. Let's get at it. At the end of the video, I'm going to let you know what the best contact lens is, I think, in my experience for putting in and taking out contacts as far as handling, which is usually good for a first-time wearer. So in my 28 years of experience, many times my staff will be teaching someone how to put a contact lens in, and they just can't get it, and they just can't get it. And it usually takes, like, they're so close, it's usually just one or two little tips that'll do it. And this is my biggest one. So I thought it would be helpful. I'm going to show you Lexi, who works for me, how she does it. But literally, if you are right-handed, I want you to put the lens on your right index finger, left-handed, left index finger. So the setup is going to be middle finger of the hand with the lens will be at the lower lid. You're going to come across the top, not this way, not like this. We don't want to obscure our view of the other eye as we're working on it. So you come across the top, and then we're going to go from there. The steps in which we're going to take is you have the lens on your finger. You're going to pull the upper lid up, the lower lid down, tilt your chin down, and keep looking at yourself in the mirror. And what that does is it helps keep that upper lid up. And then you'll be in a good position to put the lens on the eye. And then here's the trick. Pull your finger away. Don't just let go of your lids or it's going to fold in half. Look down, let go of the lower lid, let go of the upper lid. And it's a good idea to look right and left a couple times, and that settles the lens right in. Okay, so here's Lexi. She's already got her hand on that upper lid. She's coming in with the lens on her finger and getting the lower lid. She tilts her chin down, puts the lens on, pulls her finger away, looks down, lets go of the lower lid, upper lid, closes, and boom. So that's it. That's how she does it. That's how you should do it. And that is how the majority of my patients do it, since that's how I teach my staff to teach them. The lens of choice that I use, if it's a daily, I like the Precision 1 by Alcon. It handles really well, number one. It's pretty easy to tell if it's inside out, number two. And it fits most of the eyes really well. If it's not a daily, it's actually the Total 30, their new monthly lens, which is incredibly comfortable. And if you wear a monthly lens, you should look at this video and ask your doctor to try them because they are amazing. So if you wear dailies, you're not happy with the comfort, try the Precision 1. If you wear monthlies, you're not happy, try the Total 30. Hope that was helpful. If it was, please hit that like button, consider subscribing, and until next time, take care.